Alright, so for this equations here, I know it looks kind of weird. It's actually pretty simple. Your eye should always go to the variable right here. So here's your variable n, okay? So notice that this n, the first thing it's being done is that it's subtracting by 5. And then it's being divided by -2. So what you want to do is undo this part right here. So notice that this is very noticeable here. So you want to undo the division of -2. So what I'm going to do, to undo a division, you multiply. And since I'm dividing here by a -2, I'm going to multiply by a -2. And I do that to both sides. So what happens here is that it makes a giant one like this. And what you can't see, so I'll put it in green, is that these are stuck together. So the reason I want to get rid of -2 is because you see it in green there in parentheses, they're stuck together there. So right here I have n minus 5. Those are the two things that are stuck together. These are called binomials. Let me undo that. Let me make that neater. Okay, equals 2. And since I'm multiplying by a -2 over here, 7 times 2 gives me 14. And then a negative times a negative gives me a positive 14. So then I notice that I want to leave n by itself here. So the last thing I want to do is get rid of this -5. So I want to make it a 0. So to make it a 0, I have to add 5. And I add 5 to both sides. Whoops, let's undo that. Okay. So then right here, this becomes a 0. Goes away. And I get n is equal to, and then I add 14 plus 5, which is 19. And there's my final response there.